Hey you! Are you wondering how to maximize battery life of your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7? Let me show you some tips. Let's start with turning on power saving mode. For this, we would need to open settings first and then navigate to the battery tab. And right here you can see the option to turn on the power saving, so let's do it, because it really helps to extend the battery life. And if you scroll a little bit more, you'll see the limit health features. You can enable this function too, because this will disable automatic workout tracking, heart rate notifications, and stress and oxygen level checks, which really drains the battery. What else we can do to keep the battery life is to reduce the animation. And for this, we need the tab which is named Display. And right here, just turn off not needed functions such as Always On Display, Raise Wrist to Wake, Touch Screen to Wake. You can also reduce screen timeout to 15 seconds because it helps to extend the battery life. And you can also disable Show Charging Info and Touch Sensitivity. With disabling this function, your battery life will be really extended. And in this setting, I also suggest you to reduce the brightness of the screen, because if it's too high, then it will eat really lot of battery. So what else we can do is we can turn off GPS and Bluetooth when you don't need it. And for this, go in the connections and here just turn off the Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and when you would need it, just tap on it once more. Great. And now let's turn off the GPS. For this, scroll to the location, click it and turn it off, because GPS eats really a lot of battery and the battery life may not be extended. If your battery still drains quickly, then I have a few more tips for you. And the first one is to disable some of the not needed notifications from not needed apps. For this, let's just find the Notifications tab in the settings, tap it, then go in App Notifications, and right here you can disable notifications from not needed apps. For example, I don't want to receive notifications from the gallery, so let me disable it. And from Google Assistant as well. And from Calendar, because this really drains the battery and we don't want that. And the last thing you can do is to enable Do Not Disturb mode if you are not waiting for any of notifications at the moment. So for this, let's just open Quick Panel by swiping down from the tab and find this icon with a bat, which is for the Do Not Disturb mode. And now you will not receive any of notifications and it will help to extend your battery life. By the way, you can do just the same with the help of Galaxy Wearable app. So let's open it first. And here we can go in Watch Settings, then in Display, and as on the watch we can disable all of the functions which is for the animation, and also we can go in the Battery tab and turn on the power saving mode. And that's it! Now you know how to extend your battery life on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching.